Hello everyone, Mugabe Man here at mugabeman.com, getting you started online. And in this video, we are going to talk about 10 apps that you can use to run your online business. In this video, we are going to mostly talk about the WIX platform. All these tools are built into the WIX platform, but if you are using WordPress or GoDaddy or Duda, they also have built-in apps, so you don't have to code. If you need something like a bookings app, if you need something like a reservations app, you don't have to code it. It's already built into the platform, like the WIX platform. So to start with, we have the stores app. This one allows you to sell your products online, simply like maybe there's a Jumia online mall, maybe Amazon.com. So simply selling online, someone can come to your website and they place an order and you deliver. What comes with this is a whole platform that allows you to manage orders, to accept online payments. You can even connect what you call a POS. You see those small things in the supermarkets whereby they swipe the cards and then they tell you how much to pay. There's something like that. It's like a box right there. That's the POS system that you can connect to your website, and you don't have to record all the payments. Whenever you swipe the card, all the payments are automatically recorded in your WIX website. So that's the first most important tool, especially if you want to sell your products and services online, if you want to receive online payments. You can be selling physical products, digital products, even sell your knowledge, your courses. If you are a fitness trainer, you can set up a training program and you can sell it on your website. Next is the bookings app. So this one lets clients book your services online. It can be a one-on-one appointment. It can be workshops. You want people to register for workshops from your website. It can be scheduling a specific time to meet with a specific member on your team to show the client how to do stuff. Now this one mostly works for consultants, for tutors, for fitness professionals, fitness trainers, allowing clients to book services using your website. They can be able to book your services and schedule a meeting based on your business working hours. The bookings app also allows you to accept online payments, so someone can book their session and they even make the payment online. So you can give them the receipt via email. You can send it via email, or you can print it and give it to them physically. So I think that's a very important part for fitness trainers, consultants, and tutors. Next is the events. So did you know that you can sell tickets using your WIX website? Yes, sure you can. You can create events and sell the tickets to those events right from the WIX platform, right from your WIX website. So from the dashboard, there is a part for events. If you have seen it, if you own a WIX website, you've already seen the events tab. So that's where you can create and manage the events, sell tickets and all that, set the prices for the tickets and track all the reservations. So with this events app, you can be able to set up ticket sales, include different ticket types, prices, promotional discounts, and even coupon codes. So you can design a map for the venue and share it right there on the page. You can even send email invitations. Now, what's more interesting about the email invitations is you can be able to track the responses and see who opened the email and who clicked on the link in the email. All those analytics will be available on your WIX dashboard. So I think the events is a very powerful app, especially for event managers. Alright, next is the blog. Alright, so up until now, I think we have been talking about the business side. Now the blog also applies to the business side, but can also help a lot with the non-profits. It can be able to update people about different events, different fundraising campaigns that they are holding. But also the blog is the biggest part, the biggest traffic driver. If you want to drive traffic to your website by ranking higher in search engines using SEO, search engine optimization, which we, by the way, talk about on the website at mugabeman.com. There is a long post about digital marketing and also details about SEO and how you can do SEO and rank higher in search engines. So the blog app allows you to do this. Write blog posts, include those keywords that are going to help you rank higher in the search engines. The good thing about the blog is you can be able to write those blog posts right on your mobile phone. If you download the WIX Owner app, if you own a WIX website, you should have the WIX Owner app, So you can use the Wix Owner app to upload photos to your website as well as write those blog posts, see your contacts and manage your business right from the mobile app. So keep tip right there. And the other cool thing about the blog is, if you know about the Google AdSense program, by the way, I recently received my first check from the Google AdSense program, and I'll be showing you how to do that in the next video. Make sure you do subscribe and click on the bell notification so that when I release that video, you'll be notified. I know most of you wanted to learn about how to monetize your website, how the Google AdSense program works and all that. Anyways, so the blog is allows creators to monetize their content. Also, you can write those blog posts and include your affiliate links. You can also just write the blog posts and monetize the site through the Google AdSense program or other programs. So for me, I must say I like the blog part. So far the apps we have looked at, I think the blog is my favorite one. Next is the portfolio. So if you want to showcase your work, if you want to showcase your art, your designs, your graphics, your videos, if you're a photographer, your photos, all that, you can use the portfolio. So as I said, you don't have to code anything. These are already programmed. You can upload your photos easily. As I said, if you have the Wix Owner app, if you own a Wix website, you should have the Wix Owner app, which you can use to upload those photos, even write those blog posts. You have different layouts to choose from. So this one works mostly for architects, for photographers, for graphic designers, for UI, UX designers. Next is the pricing plans. Now this one is also one of my favorite because it allows you to make some money from your website. If you want to set up subscriptions and memberships on your website, this is the one you need, the pricing plans. So you can offer the site visitors, your website visitors, you can offer them different packages. You can offer them exclusive access to content, services, and programs. So you can connect this pricing. Remember, we looked at the bookings app. You can be able to connect this pricing plan to a certain bookings app or to certain bookings package, so that when someone books this package, or if someone is in this pricing plan, they have already booked that package automatically. And with pricing plans, you can be able to set a recurring payment. Someone can pay you monthly or yearly, or if they don't want, they can be able to cancel along the way. And you can also offer them a free trial or a free plan if you want. Now remember, all this is available on your Wix dashboard. Next, a very cool app is the form and payments. Now I said the blog is my favorite, but forms should be your favorite because they allow you to collect leads, lead generation, email list building. So you can use these forms to get subscribers, collect information, receive payments. With these forms, you can even, especially the non-profits, the ones that want the donations, they can use these forms to include a donate button, or business owners looking to collect leads for their services. And again, I have to stress this, you don't have to write any code. Everything is already coded, so you can simply create from customizable templates. You can just change the color. You can just change the color of the fields in the forms, and also maybe change how round the edges are, and play around with the text and typography, the text and the fonts for your specific branding. And if you know what we call automations, if you know email automation, you can use email automation through these forms. Someone can click on a button, they submit a form, and that triggers another action, an automatic action. That's what we call automation. So if someone clicks on the link and they submit a form, they are taken to this page, and they also receive a certain email. So you can also send a follow-up if someone received your first email. So that's what we call email marketing and email automation. So another cool tip right there. Next is the Instagram feed. Now if you're a fan of Instagram and you have a good following on your Instagram and you have some beautiful photos to showcase, you can use this app to showcase your photos, display all the latest photos and videos from your Instagram page on your Wix website. So they are live. Whenever someone clicks on any of those photos or videos, they are automatically taken to your Instagram page. So it's a way of also promoting your page, getting more followers, as well as getting more website traffic, and also helps people understand and feel in place. Whenever they go to your website and they find the posts from your Instagram page, it It also increases your engagement, more likes, more comments, and more followers. And by the way, whenever you post new content, it automatically updates on your website. Next is the online programs. Very important app right here, especially for schools that want to set up online programs, online classes. This is the app you need. So it allows you to sell step-by-step programs, training programs on your website. Earlier on, we looked at the pricing plans. We also looked at the bookings app, which can also be used for fitness trainers. But this app right here, the online programs, can also be used for fitness trainers, coaches, health advisors, and educators like you or me. Now, what makes the online programs app very powerful is you can be able to create, sell the online courses, as well as manage enrollment and track the student progress. So you can be able to see the progress of students, who has completed the lessons, who hasn't completed, who has started and who didn't start. Some people just sign up for the program and they don't even learn one lesson. So you can be able to see everything using the online programs app. Okay, and by the way, everything is within the app, including the quizzes, the assignments, and even uploading your video lessons. You can easily do that on the WIX dashboard. Plus, there is a part, it's called like a forum or groups, whereby you can interact with the students. Students can ask the teachers questions. Other students can reply to other students with photos, simple comments. Very interesting, very wonderful app. So it facilitates the interaction between the students and the instructors. So speaking about forums, here is the next app, which is the groups. So with the groups, you can create active communities for your site members, so that they can be able to interact with each other, ask questions, and you can also generate income from these groups. You can include specific groups into specific pricing plans, so that to join a specific group, you have to have a specific plan on the website, on the site, in order to access the content in this group. Again, you can manage the groups on the go with the WIX Owner app. Alright, I think those are enough apps for today. Let's take a look at other apps in another video. But for today, I think that's it. And I hope those apps alone will help you get started online, making money from your site and from your content. Leave a like, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to check out mgabiimran.com for more content like this about WIX, and also on this channel, check out more WIX tutorials. Alright, I hope to see you in the next one.